Hi besties, what's good everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? I'm Maxine. I make lifestyle and self-care videos, so if you're into all of that, then do not hesitate to subscribe to the girl. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? What's going on? Thank you so much for coming back. I know I probably don't say this enough, but thank you so much for being here. Honestly, my channel's been growing quite a lot lately, and I'm really just excited and just happy to have all of you guys here. It's just an amazing community of people that I have gathered. It just feels amazing to know that the people out there that share my interests, because I really do not know a lot of people like in real life that have the same interests that I do in terms of like hygiene and body care and skincare and stuff like that. Like every single one of you, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for being here. I'm super excited to hang out with you guys today because I'm gonna be doing another organizing video. I actually did an organizing video probably a couple of months ago. I organized my entire collection, so I'm gonna be doing that again today. I'm actually at my parents' house now, so yeah, I have more space, more storage, so that feels great. It's also good because like I left a bunch of stuff back in PE, so it means that I don't have to go ahead, I don't have to organize everything. So I'm super excited to be doing this. I've been needing to like clean all the surfaces in my room, so I've done that, and obviously that required me to just take everything off, put everything on the bed, and like start organizing from scratch. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of organizing today, but I don't think it's gonna take too long. But yeah, I just wanted to film it because you guys loved the last one, so I thought that I would do another one. So yeah, with that said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a like, comment something nice for me down below, let's chat in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started, let's organize. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but I am gonna start over here. It's just like, it's got a lot of space over here, but like with the amount of stuff that I have, you can really run out of space. This is something that I did when I was probably like 14 or 15. It's Despicable Me, and then like they unscrewed the mirror, so now it's all upside down. So it's the characters from Despicable Me, the three little girls, and then up here I have a photo of my sister and I when we were like 4 and 8, I think, and then this is a picture of my sister. I think she was probably like, I'll say 12, 13, 14, I don't know how old she was. And then here's a photo of my dad. I used to have like a bunch of stuff up here, like some of my high school achievements, like certificates, because I used to be an athlete. I actually used to run, but I don't anymore because I started drinking alcohol. But I just cleaned the surface. I'm gonna be putting things on here now, so let's start with that. Alright you guys, so here is the mess. It's not as much stuff as the last video, which I'm actually really grateful for. So over here I have some body sprays. Well, actually all my body sprays actually. As you can see, I'm a huge Oh So Heavenly stan, but that is only because they have all these different scents that I really like. And I think this year, like the next half of the year, I'm gonna try to invest more into a different brand of body sprays, because I'm very bored of Also Heavenly. Anyway, over here I've got like some foot butter and body lotion, and then over here I've got some of my perfumes, and then over here I've got body wash. If you remember in the last video, there were so many, and so I'm glad that I've kind of like calmed down on the body wash, except I do have like 4 other body washes that are already in the shower that will not be part of this video. I just keep them in there because those are the body washes that I use the most. But I also really like this one, this vanilla one. I just haven't been using it as much because I don't want it to finish, but this one is also really nice. They're all really nice, honestly. Here I've got some cotton pads, and then I've also got some hair products, a bunch of hair products over here. And then girl, here just like I don't know what to explain. I'll say I've got some body scrubs, I've got some body polishes over here, I've got some deodorant, some Vaseline, some feminine hygiene stuff, some facial skincare, and then over here I've got more facial skincare. As you can see, my skincare routine is kind of non-existent right now, but I have more stuff in the shower that I will not bring out here because there's no point in keeping stuff out here. I use them in the shower. And then over here I've got hand cream, so nothing much has changed since like the last time that the last video because I haven't even like changed my hand creams. Let's begin. Oh. Alright, so I'm starting with body lotions. I'm thinking I want them to all like just be on this one side. I like to leave a little bit of space. In between them, but because then I also have this that I also need to pack there, which will kind of like be weird. So let me just kind of like move these back. Yeah, so then I have that, and then I'm also gonna go and get my baby oil, which I actually forgot. That should be here as well. There you go. There's baby oil. So yeah, that's all my body lotions. That just makes me so happy. I think that looks so good. So let's do body spray next. Yeah, let's do body spray next. I think body spray makes sense to do next because then I want them all to be on this side. I've kind of been like lining them up on this side, so I think yeah, I need them to be on this side. Okay, so I just had to bring them here because it would have kind of been difficult for me to film if I didn't just bring them here. So as you can see over there, I kind of like to have these things lined up in pairs. Like it's just something that I do because it makes it easier to find them. It's just like looks better as well. So yeah, let's do body sprays. This is a room mist, I don't know, a spa mist, shower mist, so I don't know where to put this. I think maybe if I just put it right there next to the lotions, then I'll kind of figure out where to put that. I'll probably just move that to the shower, to be honest. This is what it looks like so far. I put these two because I actually use these two the most, plus this and this. Plus this, yeah, I actually use these the most. Please ignore that, I couldn't get that out. I think it's foundation. I think I'm just gonna put like Vaseline here. And then in front of this, I'm gonna put probably some hand creams. And yeah. I think that looks okay, but then these kind of look lonely back here. So I'm gonna just move these hand creams back to the back, and then I'm gonna put these two Golden Glow and Love Blooms in front. And yeah, I think that looks good. I don't think that it looks too like packed, but if I ever feel like it looks too packed, I'll probably just like make some space in between these so that it doesn't feel like it's too packed, if you get what I mean. Oh, no, I can't drop these. I would literally die. I just told you guys in the mirror. Okay, right. So now in front of me, I've got perfumes, and these are the ones that made the cut to come back with me. So let me just line them up. And then this is just like a mini. It's even done. It was like a 15 ml of Enchante blush. I like to keep this in my bag though, so this is not even gonna go here. This is gonna go into my bag. And I have more stuff. This is just like femme hygiene, so this is stuff that I use every day here. I've got some wipes over there. I'm just gonna put that there. But I feel like that looks so messy. I hate how that looks. And then you also have this. My panty liners. I just feel like that looks so messy, and I'm not really digging it. Two of these. I love vanilla and I love berries. I'm gonna put that there. And then I'm just gonna put the panty liners over there. And then this is just like some nail polish remover. So I think I'm just gonna put that there in front. And then you have this Vaseline as well. I'm just gonna put that there. Yeah, I think that looks good. So this is how it's looking. I really like how it looks. So yeah, let us actually move to there. And then we'll figure out what can fit there. And yeah. Okay, so this is weird. I have to film like this. Okay, so I have this these drawers over here, they're just 2 drawers. Body, I have this receipt that would not come off. It was like a receipt that was wet, and then like now it's just part of the thing. So I'm gonna put body wash and body scrub on here. I know that those things should probably go in the bathroom, like in the shower, but like I don't want to like put too many things in the bathroom because I feel like it just gets messy because then there aren't enough shelves. So yeah, just rather have them here and then just use them whenever I feel like it, because right now I already have like 4 other body washes and 1 body scrub and shaving cream as well in the shower and soap and stuff. So I just think that it's best that they just go here. I love this stuff, by the way. I love this stuff by Truly Beauty. It's the Goodnight Moon chest and neck sleep mask. It is so good. Like, you guys, I do not expect, it's like a butter, so I did not expect it to be this moisturizing. I am shook. I actually figured out that I could also put this like on my feet, on my legs, and it's so moisturizing. It's insane. It smells good and it feels really nice on my skin. So yeah, that's how it looks, right? It just glides onto your skin. It glides onto your skin. It's wild. I've literally, like, I was not expecting that at all, because like when I got this product I didn't even think that this would be this moisturizing. It smells good too. It's like super herbal. It gives me those vibes. Adaptogenic, super herbs, hyaluronic acid plus collagen for tightening and firming. It's super nice. It's really good. I really recommend this product if you ever do get Truly Beauty products. I definitely recommend those. Anyway, so yeah, I've put this over here. Let me just show you what this looks like now. Okay, so I've put body wash plus lotion, hair removal lotion, and then some body scrubs here, and then some body polishes here as well, plus the mask that I just showed you guys. This is like some nail polish from like years ago. It won't go away. This is the receipt that I was talking about before. But anyway, yeah, so this is obviously still empty, so I'm gonna put some hair products on here as well. Yes, gang, this is how it's looking right now. I don't know if any of you guys would get annoyed because I like to line things up. Like, I don't like to put things like next to each other. I like to line them up. And then over here, I would like put a cosmetics bag. Actually, I'd put this cosmetics bag that, like, ignore that, but it basically has like some pills. It's got some sheet masks in there. It's got some sunscreen. It's got some just stuff that I need. Yeah. As for these things, child, I don't know. I feel like, okay, this can go in the shower. So this would just be the last thing that I do. I don't know if I'm going to include this because I think all these things are kind of going to go in different places. And then this little mug is something that my uncle got for me when I was like 4 or 5 years old. It's funny enough because he was actually here and I completely forgot to tell him that, remember that mug you got me all those years ago? About like 16-17 years ago. I still have it, so that was obviously a really nice gesture and I'm gonna have it forever. I used to take it to high school with me, so the handle kind of fell off. It broke off. It's so cute. It has my name on it, and then I remember back then I think I was trying to paint or something. I don't know, what is this, a hippo? I suppose it's a hippo on the front, and it says Malawi. That's where we're from. And here I basically just have like also hair stuff. So I've got like a shaver in there. I've got, you know, the black girl edge brush. This like foot file that I love to scrub my feet with. I've got a pair of scissors. I've got some, this, like, I haven't used any of these, but these are single blade razors that I use for like my eyebrows and my face. And then I've just got a brush that I obviously don't use because I am in braids. Let me show you guys the after. This did not take long at all. I thought it was going to take much longer, so I'm actually really happy. 3, 2, 1. we go, you guys. That's the end of the video. It actually did not even take long to film. I'm shocked, or maybe it did and I didn't realize how long it took to film. But yeah, organizing for me doesn't usually take long. It's usually the filming process that takes long, because usually I know where I want everything to go. But yeah, this is definitely different from what it looked like before. I didn't have it before because by then I had already like moved everything and already cleaned the surfaces, so I just had to put everything on the bed. I love to have like my things organized and in front of me, because obviously like I do all of these routines for you guys, and it's kind of annoying like when I can't find stuff. And everything else that you guys did not see, I put everything else in the bathroom. If in case you're wondering about makeup, that's not a priority of mine. As you can see, I hardly ever wear makeup, not because I don't want to, I'm just lazy. There's another chest of drawers just like that one over there. Inside the drawers, that's where my makeup is, but it's not organized. It's kind of like a lot of stuff is still like in the cosmetics bags and stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.